No, not yet. Do it again.
Oh.
Try cross it over more.
Nice, from the person who was really good at it. Ah, yeah, that was brilliant. One more. Practice. Yes. No. There it is. There it is. In the house. Oh, yeah. Watch out. It's coming for me.
The soapy floor.
It's a mixture of water and glycerol and washing up soap.
Gary will link my channel where we did more bubbles, and I had a coffee tutorial.
Coffee tutorial. Ah, that's a good one. There, you've done it nice and slowly. Yeah. All the colors of the rainbow. That was Newton, wasn't it, that
Really
split up
big,
light?
You can also see gold.
Yeah. Red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, violet.
And gold.
RG Biv.
Look, gold.
Way! That's it. Yep. Newton said there were 7 colours in the rainbow. Way.
And purple is one of them.
Wow, that's a good one.
Purple is one of them.
Uh,
Oh, look at that.
red, orange, yellow, green,
Oh, no.
blue, indigo, violet.
Oh, God, I'm going to fall.
Careful, slippery floor. Not enough friction. Right, big bubble. Oh,
Can't get a big bubble with that.
no. Big bubble. Oh. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, yeah, I want to...
Go!
Oh, I know.
Go! Oh, go! Okay, and go. Oh, yeah, that's brilliant. One more. Yay! Okay. It's easier than playing the piano, but it does need a little yes!
Yeah.
Get it? Excellent!